Let's take a look before we talk to them at the nominees.
Entrepreneur Award Health Solution. Bio2 Skin from Best Health for You. Speaking Drug from Bayer. The Whistle from Zencorlabs. The New Era of Healthcare Communication from Rosenbaum Consulting. Patch AI from Patch AI.
Right, those are the nominees. Let's have a chat with each of them. Welcome to you all first and congratulations on becoming finalists. Let me introduce you. Sonia Ferreira from Best Health for You with Bio2 Skin. I believe you're also joined by Anna and Nelson who are with you there. Albert Bravo from Zencorlabs with The Whistle. Sevgi Oza Korkmaz from Bayer with Speaking Drug. David Rosenbaum from Rosenbaum Consulting with a new era of healthcare communication. And finally, Alessandra Monterosso from Patch AI. Welcome to all of you. David, let me start with you, if I could. The new era of healthcare communication. Just tell us a little bit about that.
Yes, thank you, Axel. So the new era of communication in pharma industry stands for a better communication between the small and mid-sized biotech and the new upcoming startups with the contract research organizations. So what we have managed to do is that in less than 1 year, we have established a very functional business model in which we have saved tremendous amount of money to our clients. One of the case studies we have presented in the presentation video we have submitted is that we have saved in the process of the CRO selection to our client almost $1 million, and that's only the first stage of the whole clinical trial. So thanks to our business model, we came up with solution, especially in these hard times during the COVID-19 pandemics, where everyone is searching to save as much money as possible. And luckily, well, fortunately for us, thanks to the COVID-19, we really came up with this solution. It was unexpected, but the result is absolutely beautiful.
Okay, and what inspired you to come up with this solution?
Yes, so the inspiration came from the decade that I have as a CRA, as a clinical operations manager. So we have established really enormous network of professionals throughout the CRO industry, throughout the investigative sites and site networks, and this is the end result. We created an environment which is extremely easy to communicate in. It's extremely easy to save the money to the biotech clients and the pharma clients. And as end result, it speeds up the whole time of the performance and the execution of the clinical trial.
I've asked some of your peers the same question, but as an entrepreneur, as representing a startup, how hard is it to what are some of the challenges of working in this industry?
Well, Axel, the challenge number one is that despite that pharma industry is the richest industry, this is also the stingiest industry we could really work in. So everyone is really trying to spend to save every dime. When I have to compare our project with the competition in the healthcare startups, you are looking at the innovation-driven enterprise. So there is a huge investment, and then it upscales at some point of the time. Whereas in our industry, especially our company is a classical small medium enterprise. We have started, or I have personally started, only with my savings, and unfortunately, but thanks to the COVID-19, I was able to scale up because of the need of the clients, the business, and we are growing with a linear rate, which is very good, especially in the pharma industry and for a company who is trying to start from scratch.
And what would you do differently if you did it again?
Absolutely nothing. I really enjoy every single day, and having the opportunity to be entrepreneur in the world of clinical research is a dream come true for me.
And what does the future look like for you?
So we have today released the new web page where we are presenting more innovative models for the pharma industry. So I want to set up a new standard in terms of the contract research services, and we came up with a new model of how to plan, execute, and afterwards follow up one clinical trial, a plan that is beneficial not only for the pharma industry but also for the patients and for the investigative sites.
Okay, David, thank you very much indeed for sharing your thoughts with us today. David Rosenbaum from Rosenbaum Consulting.
Thank you very much.
Let me come to Sonia, Anna, and Nelson. I think,